Hidden behind vast agricultural fields lies one of the most advanced fiber production processes in the world. This is the largest high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. From discarded plant waste to premium industrial material, this is the full process, step by step. After harvesting bananas, the plant is usually left behind. But here, the banana stem becomes the starting point of an entirely new value chain. Each stem is carefully selected in the field, sorted by size, moisture, and fiber density before transportation. Once sorted, the stems are transported directly to a fully automated processing facility. This factory operates at industrial scale, designed to handle thousands of stems every single day. Inside the factory, the banana stems undergo intensive cleaning. High-pressure water systems remove dirt and organic residue, ensuring only pure material enters the production line. Every step is monitored to maintain consistency and quality. The clean stems are then cut into uniform sections using precision cutting machines. This prepares the material for one critical stage: the extraction of natural fibers hidden inside the stem. Specialized extraction machines separate long, durable fibers from the stem. This process requires precise pressure and timing to preserve fiber strength and length. What was once agricultural waste is now transformed into a valuable raw fiber. Freshly extracted fibers still contain moisture. They are transferred to controlled drying halls where airflow and temperature are carefully regulated. This step is essential to ensure durability and long-term stability. Once dried, the fibers are refined, combed, and graded. Automated sensors and skilled workers inspect every batch, separating premium fibers from standard material. Only the highest grade fibers move forward. The refined fibers are processed into industrial-grade materials used in textiles, composites, and sustainable products worldwide. After final inspection, everything is packaged and prepared for global distribution. From field to factory, this is how banana stems are transformed into modern industrial materials. This is not just manufacturing, it's innovation, sustainability, and engineering, working together to redefine waste.